volatile and unpredictable energy costs, growing stakeholder demands for sustainability and decarbonization, the increasing risk and cost of energy disruption. These are the challenges facing organizations today. But what's the key to reducing your organization's energy costs, improving corporate sustainability and resilience, and unlocking access to lucrative incentives? Installing on-site solar and battery storage at your facility. Enel offers an integrated on-site solar and battery storage solution that amplifies the benefits of both technologies. When paired together, these technologies become more sustainable and flexible, allowing organizations to unlock the full value stack that this integrated approach offers. Through these maximized value streams, solar and storage enables organizations to reduce their carbon emissions by leveraging on-site generated renewable energy to advance their decarbonization goals. Save on their utility bills by offsetting grid energy with on-site generated and stored renewable energy, especially during peak price times. Enhance their sustainability reputation by leveraging renewable energy to power operations, and even capitalize on lucrative incentives and no out-of-pocket costs. Enel leverages their long-term energy market expertise to deliver long-lasting value through unique personalized solar and storage solutions. Industry-leading optimization software that maximizes the efficiency and value of solar and storage assets. And the peace of mind associated with working with a financially stable, low-risk supplier. Your system is covered for the long run, all contributing toward a greater tomorrow. To learn more, visit our website at enelnorthamerica.com.